Welcome to your ultimate pit stop, Piston Pundit. If you're a die-hard car and truck enthusiast like we are, then you're in for a treat. Toyota's latest marvel, the 4Runner, is not just an SUV, it's an icon reborn. Let's fire up the engines and dive deep into what makes this beast the pinnacle of its class. Don't forget, if you want to be on the front line of vehicle updates, hit that subscribe button and get notified. The evolution of a legend, the platform revolution. Let's start with the heart and soul, the platform. The 4Runner's foundations have seen a colossal shift. Imagine holding on to a technology for 15 long years. That's the legacy of the J150 platform, tracing its lineage back to the ancient 21-year-old J120. While it delivered unmatched off-road prowess, it wasn't the sweetheart for city slickers looking for that smooth asphalt glide. And yes, many of us remember those bumpy rides and the notorious body roll, characteristic features of a vehicle prioritizing rugged trails over urban lanes. Fasten your seatbelts because Toyota's firing on all cylinders here. With the seasoned TNGAF modular architecture already turning heads in the Tundra and Sequoia, the 4Runner is evolving into a new beast altogether. An added bonus? Spare parts are not just going to be more affordable, but also easily accessible. This upgraded platform promises not just enhanced comfort, but also a dual mastery of both city roads and wild terrains. Worried about those thrilling off-road adventures? Fear not. The TNGAF, with its body-on-frame chassis, ensures that the 4Runner remains the king of all terrains. NASCAR aspirations? Maybe not with this one, but anywhere else, you're golden. Empowering the green revolution, hybrid powerhouse. Fuel efficiency is often the Achilles heel of mighty SUVs. Take the Jeep Wrangler, for instance. Despite housing a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4, it disappointingly clocks only 21 mpg. Now here's where Toyota takes the lead. The 4Runner's hybrid powertrain isn't just about going green. It's about redefining power and efficiency. With an iForce Max twin-turbo V6 hybrid under its hood, this SUV is all set to roar with over 400 horsepower, while effortlessly delivering an impressive 35 mpg. Cruising through city traffic in electric mode? The 4Runner's got you covered, making city drives feel like a breeze despite its imposing stature. A quick comparison with the hybrid avatar of Wrangler, the 4xe, reveals a glaring gap. Although the 4xe boasts a commendable 49 mpg, its 2.0-liter inline-4 leaves it gasping for power once the electric engine taps out. With an estimated electric range of merely 20 miles, it's evident that the 4Runner stands tall. And rumors abound that Toyota might unleash a version harnessing a 4-cylinder hybrid powertrain, making the competition quiver. 4 cylinders in a 4Runner? You bet. All right, gearheads, let's address the elephant in the room. A 4-cylinder engine in a 4Runner? Before you gasp in disbelief, let's break it down. While the Jeep Wrangler took the plunge, Toyota wasn't far behind. But forget about those minuscule 1.6-liter engines. Toyota is offering a dynamite in a small package, an electrified 2.4-liter twin-turbo inline-4, the heart of the Toyota crown. With over 300 horsepower and a torque touching 400 pound-feet, this isn't just any other engine. It's an eco-friendly powerhouse. With fuel consumption rumored to be around 50 mpg, it's not just a leap, but a quantum jump from contenders like the Ford Bronco Hybrid and Jeep Wrangler 4xe. Toyota's 2-decade-long reputation for reliability only sweetens the deal. And for the purists among you who might be skeptical about hybrid tech, there's good news. The 4Runner will also feature a standalone inline-4 variant, sans the hybrid attachments, delivering a robust 275 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque. With Toyota's engineering marvels, even this variant promises competitive fuel efficiency figures. Shifting gears, the automatic revolution. Move over old-school 5-speed auto transmissions, the 4Runner is embracing modernity with a sophisticated 10-speed automatic gearbox. Forget about the deafening engine roars on highways. This SUV is all set to redefine quiet strength. Not only does it promise better fuel efficiency due to lower RPMs at high speeds, but it also ensures enhanced longevity. Remember, lesser strain on the engine equals an extended lifespan. It's a win-win. A global phenomenon. 4Runner conquers the world. Buckle up, world. The 4Runner is breaking boundaries. With its absence felt deeply in European and Asian terrains, the SUV is all set to make a triumphant return. Whether you're navigating the autobahns of Germany or the scenic routes of Japan, the 4Runner is coming for you. Toyota's TNGAF modular platform is not just an innovation, it's a global passport. The verdict: release, variants, and pricing. If an unrivaled blend of power, efficiency, and off-road prowess is on your checklist, delaying your SUV purchase for the 2024 4Runner is a no-brainer. With a range of trims to cater to every need and budget, it's set to be a market disruptor. From the base SR5 to the elite 4Runner Pro, there's a version tailored for every enthusiast. While the SR5 starts around $43,000, our recommendation leans towards the TRD Sport, or the limited versions. While the TRD Sport is a steal at approximately $45,000, the 4Runner Limited, priced around $53,000, strikes the right balance between luxury and ruggedness. For those seeking unparalleled luxury and performance, the 4Runner Pro, priced at around $58,000, is your pick. In summary, if the upcoming 4Runner isn't on your radar yet, it's time to zoom in. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience waiting to be unleashed. There you have it, fellow auto enthusiasts. The next-gen 4Runner is all set to redefine the SUV landscape. Remember, if you enjoyed this deep dive and don't want to miss out on the latest vehicle updates, subscribe to Piston Pundit. Rev those engines and drive into the future with us.